हेलो एंड वेलकम टू शिफ्टिंग गियर्स। आज के वीडियो में मेरे साथ है इंडियाज मोस्ट वांटेड मिड साइज एसयूवी। ये है Hyundai Creta का 2024 facelift Avatar, and as you can tell it has changed a lot on the outside. There are a lot of changes on the inside and we are obviously getting the familiar engine options: a 1.5 liter naturally aspirated petrol, a 1.5 liter turbo petrol and a 1.5 liter turbocharged diesel engine as well। और आपको काफ़ी सारे गियरबॉक्स ऑप्शंस भी मिलते हैं विद दिस क्रेटा फेसलिफ्ट। इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं इस नए क्रेटा के एक्सटीरियर डिज़ाइन चेंजेस के बारे में। We have a separate video where we talk about the interior cabin because that also has changed dramatically, and we have a separate drive review video of the Creta as well. So now is a good time to subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel, press that bell icon, stay notified so that you can make an informed car buying decision if at all you are planning to bring home the Hyundai Creta. Now, personally, अगर आप मुझे पूछोगे, the car that this car is replacing, the pre-facelift Creta, I did not really like it. That design was very polarizing. Now compare that to this. This I really love. This has that typical SUV styling and I really like it. This looks very handsome in my opinion. आज के वीडियो में हमारे साथ है Hyundai Creta का ये नया metallic green paint option. In the night, this will look like a black paint scheme, but park it under the sun and the metallic flakes show up. और ये green color जो है, this is very beautiful. There is no other car in this segment with this color option, so I think a lot of people will like it. I personally love it. अभी चलिए बात करते हैं इस गाड़ी के एक्सटीरियर डिज़ाइन चेंजेस के बारे में, because this has changed a lot compared to the old Creta, the model that it is replacing, and this is now more universally acceptable because the design language is not very polarizing. So सामने से जब आप इस गाड़ी को देख लोगे, you have this huge Hyundai grill. सबसे पहले तो ये Hyundai का लोगो देख लीजिए, nice and chunky and flat, and then you have these appliques over here. ये भी आपको dark grey finish में दिखाई देंगे. This is not shiny chrome, so this also stands out, looks premium. And then यहाँ पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा बड़ी empty space है, so this is going to be a little tricky अगर आप gravel वाले सड़कों पे इस गाड़ी को चला लोगे, because something can enter in over here and damage the radiator, so you have to be careful, maintain safe distance from the vehicles in front of you. But then overall ये grill काफ़ी बड़ा है and it dominates the front look of this new Creta. So this front fascia looks bold, muscular, macho and also wide. Then you will notice the LED DRL section over here, which is under the bonnet shut line. So यहाँ से आपको ये LED DRL signature मिलता है. You have a connected LED DRL and यहाँ पे आपको sequential LED turn indicators दिए गए हैं. So they light up in a sequence and this also looks quite nice. Overall यहाँ पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा black gloss applique भी आपको दिया गया है. So it breaks the monotony and you know it differentiates from the bonnet area and the bumper area and the skid plate below. यहाँ पे आपको दिए गए हैं इस गाड़ी के LED headlamps. You have quad LED headlamps over here. यहाँ पे आपको कोई प्रोजेक्टर दिखाई नहीं देगा. You have a plastic applique around the headlamp unit over here और नीचे कोई additional fog lamp आपको नहीं दिया गया है. But over here you will notice you have these aero curtains, so this is going to help in the overall aerodynamic efficiency of the new Creta. नीचे आप देख लोगे आपको dark grey finish में skid plates मिलने वाले हैं. Again, nicely done, adds to the overall SUV appeal. And at the front as well आपको parking sensors दिए गए हैं. So this is going to help you park your vehicle safely and confidently. But to help you further, यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए आपको एक कैमरा भी दिया गया है because this car now comes with 360 degree camera support. अभी बम्पर पूरी तरह से obviously redesigned है, reprofiled है because everything on the front has completely changed. But apart from that, इस गाड़ी की ये जो bonnet है, this is also all new because the bonnet shut line is different, the angle is different, and that is why the overall look and feel of this Creta has changed so much. लेकिन इसके बावजूद फ्रंट क्वार्टर पैनल जो है उसके शीट मेटल में कोई चेंज नहीं किया गया है, सो दिस स्टेज द सेम. दैट इज वाई जब आप साइड प्रोफाइल की बात करोगे तो यहाँ पे ज़्यादा कोई बदलाव नहीं किया गया है. ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव 17 इंच alloy wheels. 16 इंचेस स्टैंडर्ड, 17 इंचेस ऑन द टॉप ट्रिम्स, और आपको ड्यूअल टोन डायमंड कट एलॉय व्हील्स इस गाड़ी के साथ मिलते हैं। आज हमारे साथ इस गाड़ी का डीजल ऑटोमेटिक वेरिएंट है, तो फ्रंट फेंडर पे आपको ये ऑटो की ब्रांडिंग दिखाई देगी। यू हैव योर एलईडी टर्न इंडिकेटर्स ऑन द विंग मिरर्स, और यहाँ पे नीचे आपको 360 डिग्री कैमरा दिखाई देगा ऑन दिस ब्लैक एप्लिक, एंड दैट इज इट। साइड प्रोफाइल पे कोई भी दूसरा बड़ा चेंज नहीं है। नीचे जो आपको क्लैडिंग दिखाई देती है दैट वाज अवेलेबल ऑन द प्री फेसलिफ्ट क्रेटा एज वेल। डोर हैंडल्स पे आपको क्रोम इफेक्ट दिखाई देगा। यू हैव दिस सिल्वर एक्सेंट ओवर हियर अबव द विंडो सेक्शन, एंड देन हियर यू विल नोटिस यू हैव अ ब्लैकआउट टेप फॉर द बी पिलर, एंड over here also you have this blackout effect for the A pillar. तो यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए, when you come up close, this is in green. You will notice the green flakes over here, and this is black. So there is that differentiation. Up top on the roof आप देख लोगे, आपको एक panoramic glass sunroof मिलता है, and this section opens up. This is fixed. ऊपर आपको एक gloss black finish में shark fin antenna भी दिया गया है. And then you have these integrated silver finished roof rails, glossy finished, but these are not load bearing. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, it is very clearly written, do not apply load. तो यहाँ पे आप कोई luggage racks mount नहीं कर पाओगे. At the back, lower down, you will notice इस गाड़ी के साथ आपको all 4 disc brakes भी मिलते हैं. साइड प्रोफाइल पे कोई भी शीट मेटल चेंज नहीं है. जो भी कट्स और क्रीज लाइंस आपको इस गाड़ी पे दिखाई दे रहे हैं, they are similar to what you saw on the pre-facelift model. But over here, this section would be a little different because tailgate पूरी तरह से नया है, and that is why इस गाड़ी का ये जो rear spoiler है, this is also new, and that also helps in the overall aerodynamic efficiency. Moving to the tail end, ये गाड़ी अभी काफ़ी ज़्यादा खूबसूरत दिखाई देती है compared to the old model. I did not really like following the pre-facelift Creta because that design was very polarizing for me. This I think is more appealing to me, and यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए, आपको connected LED tail lamp दिया गया है, and these light signatures at the back are similar to the LED DRL light signatures on the front, so you have that cohesive design language. So it starts from this fender, it goes all the way till the other side, and you have this tail lamp unit which juts out from the body panels from the sheet metal. ये connected LED design जो है, it is not overdone, और ये जो Hyundai का logo है, it is actually placed inside under this tail lamp unit. It is within the tail lamp unit, so it is not placed and stuck from the outside. यहाँ पे नीचे आप देख लीजिए, you will notice you have your reversing camera, you have your Creta branding, and of course you have your variant branding on the other side. पीछे बम्पर पे आप देख लोगे, you have your reverse parking sensors, you have a rear reflector, this is not an active fog lamp, and then नीचे आपको dark silver skid plate effect मिलने वाला है, and then over here you have your reversing light, और यहाँ पे ये जो 3 lights आप देख रहे हो, this again is the sequential turn indicator, LED turn indicator of this new Hyundai Creta. High mount stop lamp you get over the windscreen, rear windscreen, and you also have a rear wash and wipe with this vehicle. Overall इस गाड़ी की ये जो rear profile है, it looks nice and wide because of that connected LED tail lamp unit, because it runs the entire width of the car, and I think the Creta now looks more wider and more macho because of these design changes. यहाँ पे side profile पे, like I mentioned, that is it. On the passenger side you do not get a request sensor यहाँ पे on the front door, you get it only on the driver side, so that is something that you have to keep in mind. लेकिन इस गाड़ी के साथ आपको ADAS features भी मिल रहे हैं. So for that, on the windscreen you will notice you have a camera, so that is going to ensure that your vehicle stays safe, making use of all the ADAS features which are now available. And on the bumper you have this applique, इसके नीचे ही आपका जो radar है for ADAS वो position किया गया है. But apart from this front camera and front radar, इस गाड़ी के साथ आपको rear radar भी मिलता है. Hyundai Creta अभी आपको level 2 ADAS features ऑफर करने वाली है. You have 19 level 2 ADAS features with this vehicle, so it is going to ensure your safety, and I think you will enjoy some of those features on your long road trips. Now before we end the video, let me tell you that Hyundai usually has very fine attention to detail, but there is one miss over here. यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए, because this air dam section is so wide, this one thing is exposed. I don't know what that is, and this is connected to a wire, so this is some important sensor of course, and this is prone to damage अगर सामने की गाड़ी से कोई पत्थर उड़ जाता है. This should have been hidden. This shouldn't have been so noticeable. So that is pretty much it about the Hyundai Creta from the outside. I think it has changed a lot. Now all of these cars in the modern day and age are redefining what a facelift should be. काफ़ी सालों पहले जब भी किसी गाड़ी को फेसलिफ्ट मिलता था, द बम्पर वुड चेंज और द ग्रिल वुड चेंज, या फिर हेडलैम्प में थोड़ा बहुत कोई चेंज हो जाता था. बट लुक एट दिस, लुक एट द प्री फेसलिफ्ट क्रेटा. दे लुक लाइक ऑलमोस्ट टू डिफरेंट व्हीकल्स until and unless आप गाड़ी की साइड प्रोफाइल देख लेते हो. The front and the rear, they are so different that this will appeal to different kinds of customers. अगर किसी को प्री फेसलिफ्ट क्रेटा पसंद आती थी, उसे शायद ये मॉडल पसंद नहीं आएगा. And someone like me who likes this model, I did not like the old model of the Creta. आपकी क्या राय है इस गाड़ी के बारे में? Let me know in the comments below. If you have any other questions, ask me and I will be happy to help. Till next time, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए शिफ्टिंग एज के चैनल को. अगर आपके और कोई सवाल है, ask me in the comments. Do watch the other content pieces of this Hyundai Creta. Always drive safe and always guys, wear your seat belts.